Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today we are going to discuss a very important concept, trick for prediction of group, period and block. Group number, period number and block. Very easy trick I am explaining, which is very important for competitive and board level. First I am giving period number. So prediction of period number, very simple, maximum n value, small n value, n nothing but principal quantum number, principal quantum number, maximum principal quantum number is equal to period number. You go for here, I am taking an example, somewhere given to you, z equal to 26 element, which is the period number, or what is the period number of this group. Period number prediction. See here, Z26 means I am writing electronic configuration argon 18, 4s2, 3d 6. What I given period number? N value. See here, N value 4s 3d. This is third shell, this is the fourth cell. Maximum number, which is maximum number? 4. So maximum n equal to 4. That's why it belongs to fourth period. You can cross check in periodic table. This is the fourth period. For any element you can predict like this. Fourth period. Go for example number 2. I am taking Z equal to 11. Means sodium. You know 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is sodium. Here maximum n value equal to 3. N value is 3. That's why this element belongs to third period. So like this, for any element, maximum principal quantum number only equal to period number. Next, I am taking block. So how to predict the block? Very easy. Last electron presence. Last electron means valence shell, last electron. Last electron presence is block. If last electron is in S black, P black, D black, F black. I am taking example here, Z equal to 12, and which is the block. So configuration is must. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. See, last electron is present in s orbital, that is s subshell. Last electron is present in s subshell. So this belongs to S block. Very easy. last electron presence subshell. Clearly, last electrons present in which subshell. That is only block number. See, very easy, very tricky also. And you go for another example I am taking here. Z equal to 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 3p5. So total we filled 17. So 17 completed. So last electron is in p subshell, that belongs to p block. Like this, block prediction is very easy. Next, most important thing is group number. So prediction of group number is very important. It is different block to block. First I am explaining group number. Very simple. For S block. First I am taking for S block. If electron, that is simply I am giving total number of valence electrons. So what is the group number? Total number of valence electrons. Simple. Valence electrons can give the group number. Go here, I am taking example. Somewhere given to you, atomic number 11, and belongs to which group? You have to write the configuration must. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. See here, I given last electron, that is valence electron. Valence electrons total how many? See here, how many valence electrons are there? 1. This belongs to group 1. That is alkali metal. You know sodium is alkali metal. Go for another one. I am taking atomic number 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. See how many valence electrons are there here? So valence shell, 2 electrons are there. This belongs to group 2. Means this is NS1 configuration, this is NS2 configuration, this is alkali metals, and this is alkaline earth metals. Both belongs to S black. Like this, simply you can predict the group number for S black. And similarly for P and D also you can go for that. See here, for P black I am giving. For P black. How to predict for P block? You know very well. P black elements. So group number prediction. Group number equal to formula 12 plus valence electrons in p orbitals. Valence electrons in p orbitals, or p electrons, simply p electrons. Very easy formula. Go for here, I am taking an example. For that, atomic number 7 I took. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. See here, 12 plus p electrons. See, 12 plus p electrons, how many are there? 3. That is valence p electrons. So 12 plus 3 equal to 15. So it is 15th group element. You know very well. Nitrogen. Nitrogen belongs to group 15. 15th group. All you know very well. Nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. So what is the formula? 12 plus valence electrons in p orbital, or simply p electrons. Simply p electrons you can say. I will go for some more here for easy understanding. I am showing here to you. I am taking an example here. Atomic number 8. Example number 2. Z equal to 8. Configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2p4. Very simple. See, 12 plus p electrons. 12 plus p electrons. P electrons how many? 4. That is equal to 16th group. 16th group. You know, atomic number 8 means oxygen. Oxygen belongs to 16th group. Very easy. Very easy. Like that you can go for any. You take another example. Z equal to any 4. Z equal to 4. 4 means 1s2, 2s2. 1s2, 2s2. Clear? This is not belongs to particular element, and here valence electron, this is a S black element. That's why group number we can predict easily. The S orbital we have 2 electrons, second group. This is not P black. This is S black. And you go for here atomic number 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 2p5. Now 12 plus p electrons 5. That equal to 17th group. 17th group. Like this, any group you can predict. Go here, I am giving for D block. For D block elements, how to predict group number? Very simple. Group number equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into D electrons. Group number equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into D electrons. Here with an example I am taking, very easy. Atomic number 43 is given to you. Now you have to write configuration, no doubt. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Next 4p6, 5s2, 3d. Now you have to count all 10, 20, 30, 36, 38. 38 means remaining 5 are there. So 3d 5. This is the configuration. Electronic configuration is must. Now you go for group number. Group number equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. How many n minus 1 into D? See, D electron, simply D electron. How many electrons are there? 5. D electrons nothing but 5. So 7th group. 43 is 7th group. Simply you can remember d electrons. 2 plus d electrons. Clear? Like this you can go for that. Next, for F block. For F block it is very easy. If atomic number 57 to 71, if atomic number 89 to 103 is given to you, without any formula you can predict. 57 to 71 are lanthanides, you know very well. Lanthanides all belongs to 6th period. These are actinides all belongs to 7th period. But group number we need na. Both are belongs to 3rd B group. Remember, 3rd B group. Both belongs to 3rd B group. Or you can go for 3. Group number 3. No need any formula. 57 to 71, 6th period, and 89 to 103, 7th period, and all F block elements belongs to 3rd group. Remember, or 3B group. 3rd group or 3B. All F block elements belongs to 3rd B group or 3rd group. Here we have the exception cases for prediction of these elements. What are those exception means? You know very well. Chromium. Exception cases I am giving. You go for atomic number 24. You know atomic number 24 means chromium. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. Exceptional electronic configuration also. This we are writing. By looking into this, what we are predicting group number? D electrons, we have 5, 2 plus 5, 7 you are getting. 7th group. But that is wrong. Exception case. For this is actual electronic configuration. But what we are generally expected configuration is 4s2, 3d4. This you have to take. You should not take this configuration. This is actual, this is expected. You have to take expected only. Now group number equal to 2 plus, because this is a D block element, that is chromium, 4. 5 should not take. This belongs to 6th period. Exception case. You should not take this. You have to take this configuration. And similarly for atomic number 29, copper. This also you have to take like this only. Argon, short form I am writing. Actual configuration is 4s1, 3d10. Am I right? But expected is 4s2, 3d9. 4s2, 3d9. Clear? So then you have to go for group number equal to 2 plus, because a D block element, D electron how many? 9. That equal to 11th group. You can cross check. And this atomic number 24, atomic number 29. These two are, we have to take as exceptional cases. This is how to predict group, period and block. Still, if you have any confusion, please make a comment. I will explain accordingly. Thank you.